Hello guys, and welcome back to this video tutorial on EduTech channel. So today I will be designing a modern pop-up box. So whenever I move my mouse up to like close the tab, move my mouse out of the browser, it will bring out the pop-up box. So whenever I click on the close button, it will disappear. So I'll be doing these using the HTML, the CSS, and the JavaScript to make this beautiful modern pop-up design. So, all right, so let's get started. All right, I have my folder open, I have my index, I have my style, and I have the folder with images. So the image I'm going to be using to occur this design. So let me just open this on a browser. I still use Visual Studio Code for my design. So I just pasted this here, and also my CSS. I put this here. So I saw this tutorial on Easy Tutorial, so that's why I leave my title to be Mouse Live Pop-Up Easy Tutorial to pay my respect. So we just put the container, which is the class of this div. So all right, so the container, the width 100, the height, background, the image. So gradient 45 degree, and I put the color as well. All right, you can see the gradient color. So let's go back. All right, so I'll just put my mother box, set and div tag. So create the image, the banner, the width of the banner. So create div, which is the offer text for the div class, the header, which will be the content on the and what the pop-up we're about to design, and our beauty product. So I'll just pasted this here. So the form action, right? Yeah, that should be email. The place where that should be email address. And let me create the button as the subscribe button. All right, let's check it out. All right, here's the image with the text on there. So let's go back. All right, we just covered this mother box. Come to the CSS, pasted it, paste it here. The position will be fixed and top 50 left 50. Transform, translate minus 50 minus 50%. The width will be 80 degree. As width will be the right. For the background color to be white. Sorry. So as you can see, everything formed right in the middle. So let's go back to our code. So I will just copy this offer text and go to my CSS. So I will add the necessary stuff, the padding, 20 pixel, 40 pixel, 40 pixel, and 40 pixel. So the font size will be 40 pixel, the line height 22 pixel. You can see there's a space on the left and the right, so everything look perfect. So I've copied this offer text and had my header too. So the font size will be 38 pixel, the font width will be 600, the merge button. All right, as you can see, it gets bold and big. So let's go back add the offer more, offer text more. So the display line black, the color, yeah, we use that color. So the font weight will be 600, and the margin bottom 20 pixels. So let's go back and check. You can see it turned out with its color and another. So let's go. All right, so as you can see, the input form and other. So I will just come back here, put the offer text form. So I will add the margin top will be, which is 30 pixel, the display flexi, background color, the border radius, the 4 pixel. So, all right, I'll copy the alpha text and add my input. I'll say the flexi is 1, border 0, outline 0. So, all right, the background that will be transparent. The padding will be 12 pixel, 10 pixel. As you can see, it looks good. So let's go back to the subscriber button. So I'll be adding the forms button here and I'll specify the necessary stuff. So I just copy that. So add my cursor pointer, the background color, all right. Okay, so as you can see that the border radius and all that. Can you see the subscriber buttons look beautiful and good? So let's go back to our code. So I'll okay, all right, I will add my image for the closing button image. So I'll be putting it here. So all right, I'll just copy that and go back to my CSS, paste it, and the weight will be 30 pixel, the height 30 pixel, the border radius, the position, absolute, the top 50 pixel, right 50 pixel, the cursor pointer. So, all right, let's go back to that. As you can see that over there, so it looks great. So, all right, this mother box I will add display and to be none. All right, so let's go back and check. As you can see, it's not coming up. So, all right, let's go back to our HTML, and I will just copy that and just open my script to put in the JavaScript. So let the mother box equals to document.get element by ID. So in bracket mother box. So the document dot on mouse leave equals to function. All right, so whenever I move the mouse, it will pop up. So I'll just copy that and dot style dot display equals to a block. So all right, let's go back and check that. So whenever I move my mouse up there, it will display, and when I refresh the page, it will disappear. So if I move the mouse up, you can see that display, and if I refresh, it will disappear. So let's go back to our code. So inside the image, I will add a one click equals to close model. So all right, let's do the function close model. I'll just copy that here and I'll put none there, sir. So when I click on the image, displaying none. So whenever I click on that image, let's display. Let's check it out. So if I move my mouse up here, it will display, and if I click on that close button, it will disappear. See me move the mouse up, it will display, and if I click on that close button, it will disappear. So that's the function. So that will be up on today's tutorial. So I want you guys to like and subscribe to this channel to see the new uploaded videos. See you on the next video. Thanks.